So here we are finding the square roots of powers. So when you're taking the square root of something, here's one way of doing it. There's a couple of ways of doing it. We'll look at this way first. What you can write it is that you can write it, the square root to the power of a half. So we write what's under it, and then we just put it to the power of a half. And what we can do then is that we can apply our power rules that we've used before. Now 25 to the power of a half, you can think of that as the square root if you like. So the 25 to the power of a half, or the square root of 25, is 5. Okay, remember when we worked with powers before, we multiplied the powers out. So x squared times a half is just x to the power of 1, and y to the power of 6 times a half, so 6 times a half is 3, so it's y to the power of 3. So it's 5x y to the power of 3. The other way of looking at it, if we come down here, is just taking the square root of it. If you just remember that whenever you take square root of it, you just halve the powers. So square root of 25 is 5, half of x squared is 1, half of y to the power of 6 is 3. So what you're doing is halving the powers. Okay.